Hey everyone, it's Cale Fredberg. I am your Nudura field tech here in Canada, and we are at the Granby Training Academy here today to show you a time-lapse comparison of building bucking systems with Prebuck versus conventional forming methods. We brought in Matthew Allard here today to join us. He's a local contractor in the area with much experience doing Nudura ICF builds, and he will be the one completing the bucking construction to show you the time comparison and labor savings of this product.
Definitely the Prebuck is going to be more efficient build, quicker to build, to assemble your window frames. Obviously you're not dealing with crooked lumber or 4 square edges, it's a square product, easier to assemble for sure. I think it's for a tighter build, much more solid window frame. Labor is the most costly part of the build, so anywhere we can be more efficient with our assembly time and our build time, any product that's going to help us be more efficient, and that's ultimately what we're aiming for. And the Prebuck definitely is a lot more cost-effective labor-wise, and I think all the steps to build the window frame is going to be reduced with the Prebuck versus the conventional method. Definitely, I think for a larger scale project, we have multiple similar openings. It's very appealing having everything pre-cut out of the factory. It's definitely going to improve the end result, and you're not going to have to deal with rough openings that are not exactly squared or fit the size dealing with this engineered wood. So I think it's a win all the way through.
Hopefully what you've seen here today is a great amount of reduced labor costs, the additional strength that Prebuck has to offer going a long ways, and can actually even further be enhanced by the knockdown options that Prebuck has to offer. So what you've seen here today is 16-foot lengths being shipped to site and then cut down, but we do offer other services of either pre-cutting that for you or sending it to your job site fully assembled. So again, seeing those labor savings when using this product.